Hi, I'm Andrew from CJ's Bakery down here at Christies Beach. Today we're going to walk through how to make hot cross buns at home, similar to the recipe we use here at CJ's. We're going to start with a big mixing bowl, flour. You can use almost any flour, but for us it's a bread making flour, so it's a little bit stronger in its protein levels. There's 15 grams of salt there to a kilo of flour. There's 60 grams of sugar. A mix here of our lovely spices. Alright, so in the bowl there, we're just going to give that a quick mix around and then tip in our dry yeast. So we'll pour most of that. That was 20 grams of yeast in there, and it's about 650 grams of mils of water. Should almost be able to see a fingerprint. I don't know if you can see that there, fingerprint through the dough. Passed the stretch test now, and I'm pretty happy with that. Open up, and there's my lovely local sultanas and currants. I find that by stretching it out and then rolling it in, kind of stops them from going everywhere. Just change the direction of the process a couple of times. Just got a little tub here which I've picked up, and we'll just put a little bit of this olive oil in the bottom. Once again, you could use really anything. That'll just stop it from sticking to the tub. So I'll put it in there and we'll let that sit. It's been about half an hour now, so here's our dough. It's expanded a bit. I didn't do my maths, but I reckon it's probably around the 80 gram mark. So it's just a stretch and tuck, fold. Trying not to leave too many sultanas or currants on the outside. Now that these are all shaped and set out nicely on the tray, we're just going to cover them up and we're going to prove them for their final prove. It should take somewhere between 1 and 2 hours. They've been proving for an hour or so. In this little pot here, I've got just some baking flour and a little bit more butter. And I've got, so it's about 50-60 grams in there, and I've just got about the same of water. I can just massage that through carefully. At home you could use a Ziploc bag, but here today I've got a commercial plastic disposable piping bag. Do a straight line across, back. That there could be a little. The oven's at 220 preheated. I will probably turn it down. At home, I would suggest probably 210 for start at 12 minutes. Definitely out of the oven in 20 minutes. I've just got a saucepan, about 150 mils of water and 150 grams of sugar, and we're just going to warm that up and boil it away. So our buns are nearly ready in the oven. I'll just get my bun glaze off the stove. There's our buns. Filthy wash with that. And that is how we make Australia's best hot cross bun.